Talesong 37. The Vicar of Wakefield. I tend my flock, my house small and neat. Life is simple, neighbors I meet. Family bustling, children all round. Peaceful days, till troubles abound. Debt and schemes, fortunes go wrong. Patience tested, hearts stay strong. Wives and daughters, lovers collide. Secrets, misunderstandings, nowhere to hide. I try to guide, teach right from wrong. Faith and humor help me along. Every trial brings a lesson, a bend. Life's crooked paths we comprehend. In the end, joy returns to our door. Family united, hearts restore. Calm and virtue, laughter and song. A simple life, yet rich and strong. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.